Hey George, what's up, man? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know we talked earlier in the day that I was going to send you this video, so I'm going to take the time and kind of show you where you stack up against your competitors. Show you some numbers, so show you some crazy things that I'm sure you're aware of, or maybe you're not, right? Aware about where you stack up against your competition. So let's get to it, man. I'm going to make it short and sweet for you. So first things first, three things I want to show you. The first thing is content. Okay, in order for you to be optimized with Google, you have to have at least 1,500 words of content. Right now on your homepage, you have less than that, but that's okay, man. That's why I'm showing this information, so I can help you with that. And the reason why Google does that is they do an audit I feel like every single week on each site. The more content you have, the better. Google likes that because then they have more where they can obviously rank your site with. They don't really care too much about like how the site looks, but your content. Okay. Now, if we look at your competitors here, I'm going to use Yakima Cairo as someone that we can compare you against. Yes, they have less than 1,500, but they're ranking. For example, if I go to, let's just use this keyword, for example, massage Yakima, because a lot of people in Yakima search for that, and I'm going to show you some numbers here in a bit, but they're currently ranked number 4. Okay. And then they obviously have some other massage therapy or just massage in general with different companies, and they're obviously ranking in the top 3. Okay, so content, you want to have at least 1,500 words of content. The second thing you want to have, George, is citations. Okay, citations help rank your site on the Google My Business page, which is these 3. Okay, so if I dive into this, it's all of these. These are all different businesses in the Yakima area that offer massage. You want to be on there, and the reason why is because a lot of people search for that. Okay, so let me go back here. So citations. Okay, citations, basically what those are, and I'm sure you know, is anything that includes your business name, business phone number, your address, things like that. So Yakima Cairo right now has 47 citations, and Westside Chiropractic has 42 citations. So you want to beat them over 100. Okay, that's the goal, is to beat them over 100. We can help you with that. The third thing that I want to show you is backlinks, and this is where I use this tool called Ahrefs. This tells me a lot about where you stack, where everyone in any industry stack on Google. Okay, so right now I'm going to focus on citations. So these are backlinks. So backlinks is any site that link back to your site. Okay, and those citations or those sites that link back to you, we normally get very strong citations because the stronger citations that link back to you, the more Google is going to rank your site. Okay, so this is your competition, 474. You currently have, if we go to your site right now, you currently have 23, right? They're obviously beating you, but like I said, we can help you and we can outbeat them. All right, and I also want to show you about the keywords. Okay, so this is super important. Even though I know you do obviously chiro and you adjust folks, but you also do massage. Here, I'm going to show you some numbers here. So if we look at massage Yakima, 1,000 people search for this every single month. Okay, which is crazy. Look at this, Valley Chiropractic, 1,600 people search for this every single month. So we want to get you in front of these people that are searching for this, right? Because even though they're searching for massage Yakima, if they're calling you, right, you can talk to them about chiropractic adjustments and so forth. Right now, okay, talking about your competition, Yakima Cairo, they're currently ranked number 4, okay, for massage Yakima. Now let's look at yours. So I'm going to change this here. We'll let it load. I know you're ranking for, so here's some good news. You're ranking for this word, okay? Right now you're ranked number 36 though. So what we want to do is we want to help you rank higher, because the higher you're at, the better you are. So yeah, George, so just giving you some tips here, what we can do to help you. Thank you again for watching this video, and if you got more questions or more, if you want to learn more, just let me know. We'll talk to you soon.